Sit down, Noah. Sit down, Noah. Good boy. Look, Capucine wants a toy. You give her one? You give her one? Give Capucine a toy. Ah, that's nice. Nice and oh, thank you, Shai. Who wants to give Capucine a kiss? Give Capucine a kiss. Ah, a kiss. No? You don't want to give Capucine a kiss, sweetie? Oh, my little boys are sick. And she's going to give a kiss. Oh, that's so nice. That's nice. Oh, what did Noah do? Look, you give it to her hand. That's mine. No, but. Hey, Shai. Careful. Nice and soft, okay? Oh, is that for Capucine? Yeah, show Capucine how to do it. Show her. Yeah, show. Again, look.
It was.
Oh, give it back to her, Shai. Give it back to her. Look, you push here.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Tu te tords dans tous les sens, toi. Hello, sweetheart.